Alright, y'all, this is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about how I can um take my speakers and my phone and make it loud. And I can take the game sound and I can take my voice, my commentary, and mess with it until I can get it perfect. And that's what I did with it. And ain't much to say, ain't much to talk about, but that's what I learned. I'll be forever trying to figure that out. And I finally figured it out. Really. I'm happy. I'm happy that I figured it out. Really. But that's not all. There's more to it in another video. But yo, I uploaded to YouTube, my gameplay to YouTube, and guess what? It sounds so good and loud. Loud and good.